in.
Hi. Yes, so I graduated from a university with my bachelor's degree, and I was wondering how I could become a teacher.
Have you heard of RTR?
No, what's that?
Well, RTR has a pathway to become an elementary, special education, or secondary education teacher. And tuition's free. No way! If you would like more information on RTR and our pathways, please visit our website at teachrtr.org or follow us on social media at teachrtr.